Finally, the beast is in the building. Let's check out the Galaxy Note 9. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video, and if you're into Huck's World, and today we're about to do an unboxing of the beast. It's in the building. It showed up on the 24th. Samsung, Best Buy kept their word, and we're about to unbox this thing. Now, I'm very excited about it. I'm gonna miss the Galaxy Note 8 because the Galaxy Note 8 definitely did its thing. So if you're thinking about getting the Galaxy Note 8, you don't wanna shell out the money for the Galaxy Note 9, you will not be making a bad decision. With that being said, let's go ahead, let's get this quick unboxing done and over with so we can bring back the real review. All right, now with that being said, this smartphone has a 6.4-inch display, 1 inch bigger than the Galaxy Note 8. It comes with a 12 megapixel camera. Also, this one comes with 6 gigabytes of RAM and 128 gigabytes of storage. It comes with also, check this out, right? For those of you all who listen to the speakers out loud, it comes with dual speakers, right? And I'm not excited about that, but a lot of people are. But we are gonna test it to see how loud it is, if it's worth even using. And also we got water resistant, you know, IP68, dust and water resistant. Listen, this thing is packed with a lot of features. We got Bixby 2.0. We are gonna be doing a review on that as well. So we're gonna pretty much cover everything. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get started with the unboxing, right? Now, if you look at the top, it has the yellow pen, and yellow and blue goes together very well, right? But again, this is not the color I wanted. I really wanted the copper color. I'm kind of disappointed about that, but let's go ahead, let's get started with this unboxing before I lose it. And let me see, I need to cut the tab. Yeah, come on out here. It's already, come on. Being temperamental, y'all. There we go. Now put that to the side. Go ahead and cut the tabs on this beast. And let's open this puppy up and take a look at it. All right, pretty much know what this is. You get your key to take your SIM card out. Got your booklet in here as well. Make sure you don't throw this away, especially if you're new to Samsung. Keep this with you. We're gonna put that to the side. And the beauty, oh, look at her. She looks really good in the box, right? Let's take a closer look at it. Yeah, very nice. Now this one here is the ocean blue. I opt out for that one. I'm not a purple lover, my mom is, but that's not me. We're gonna check this out in a second. See what else we got in here. Okay, now this OTG connector, you need this. This is gonna help you to transfer your data over. So of course the phone's gonna prompt you to do everything. Also, you got your charging brick, right? Make sure you don't throw that away because that's very valuable. And inside you get these AKG headphones, which I'm getting some new ones. Just put that to the side. Get extra earbuds just in case the ones that's on the headphones don't fit. And you get a couple of extra tips, not as many as they used to give you before. And you really don't use them. You're really not gonna need them, no way. So with that being said, and you have your USB to micro USB Type-C. Well, not micro USB Type-C, Type-C, USB Type-C is what this is right here, okay? So that's gonna be it for that. Let's go ahead, let's close this back up. And let's take a look at my new baby. Ah, this is nice. Now, I like this color. Now that I can see it a little bit better because it has a little bit of light shining on it right now, and Best Buy was kind of dark. It does not look bad at all. I still miss the coral blue. If you all miss the coral blue, let me know because I do miss it. But it looks just like the Galaxy Note 8, to be honest with you. And we're gonna do a comparison video on that before we actually send this phone back. And it looks the same, but you will be able to tell in the comparison video that the bezels are a little bit bigger. And this one here, for some reason, has a little bit of weight, a little bit more weight, and that's probably because the bigger battery, the 4,000 milliamp hour battery, that's probably why. But let's take a closer look around the phone. First of all, you got your fingerprint scanner. They did lower it, and if you look at it, this looks a little bit different than that of the Galaxy Note 8. It's supposed to have a better camera as well. But let's go ahead, let's peel this off. Get this out the way. Do the front now. No need to keep it. She looks good. All right, you got your, of course, your volume button, your Bixby button. Of course, you got your on-off button right here. your USB Type-C, also your speaker, and you got your 3.5mm headphone jack, and then of course we have the S Pen. So it looks exactly like it for the most part. Let's peel this off. But I like it. Overall, I like it. I can feel the difference of this phone compared to the Galaxy Note 8 just a little bit. Not that much. Not that much at all. But let's go ahead. Let's take a look around. Power this thing on. I don't know. Maybe the blue will grow on me. I'm having problems finding cases, but I don't know. I just have to keep looking. So I'm feeling a little sharpness on this one compared to the Galaxy Note 8. Just a little bit. Let this thing power on real quick and we'll take a look around. Samsung did their thing with this one. I want to really take a look at the camera. Of course, we want to test Bixby out, find out what it is about Bixby, and it looks like we have to go ahead, we have to set this up. So I'm going to pause the video and I will be right back. All right, you all, we got everything paired up. We're good to go. Let's go ahead. Let's take a closer look at the UI. Now, it is pretty quick. I like it. I mean, I don't have a lot of windows open, but it is pretty quick. Goes into applications pretty quick as well. Not bad. You're in, you're out. Not a bad deal. And these icons, of course, you can change the size, you can change the grid. You see, you don't see the app button. So if you want to add the app button, you can add that back if you don't want to swipe up. You swipe up, of course, it's going to bring you all your apps that you have. And if I swipe down and swipe down again, I can bring down a notification shade. There's no need for any other downloading. It's already added in, which isn't a bad deal. You go ahead, you can tweak your lighting here. You got your settings for your flashlight, of course, your Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, things of that nature. And also you get something new that is the S Pen mode. And of course, you already know, if you don't know, you can take pictures, you can do presentations with this thing. You can control your YouTube, I believe. Also, you can control your video. So if you need to do a video or take pictures, portrait with family, you can now. Now, also, you got Dolby. I want to check out that Dolby, see what that's all about. Smart View I use. So it pretty much has a lot of the same things that you had on the Galaxy Note 8 if you had the Galaxy Note 8 or S9 or S9 Plus, even the Galaxy S7 and S7 Edge. So let's take a look into the settings. Okay, you still got a lot of the same things that you would have on the Galaxy Note 8, S9, S9 Plus as well. Device Manager is my favorite. It's the best task manager on any smartphone to date. It's the best around. I haven't seen anything like it yet. You want to tweak your battery, find out what's running in the background. With me, I allow everything to run in the background and I still get good battery life on a Galaxy Note smartphone. So if you want to get rid of this, you want to save power, just hit save. If you want to increase power, just hit mid. And if you don't want that, then you go back and hit max. Max is going to put it in the grayscale, but it's going to stretch out your battery so much more. So that's up to you, depending on your situation, where you are. This is definitely a great tool. Let's go back out and biometrics. So let's take a look at that. Now the biometrics has something that's new. It's called intelligence scan. What that pretty much does is that now in your lock screen, all you have to do is just look at your phone and it's going to automatically open up. Now, the guy showed me at Best Buy. He looked at it from a certain angle, which was cool for me. I have yet to get it at that angle, but it does work. So you can do your customization here for your iris scanner. Of course, you can add your fingerprint scanner. You can't add the facial recognition and the intelligence scan at the same time. Not that you would probably want to. But yeah, you still have your same settings. You want to know about the phone, you still can go in, take a look at the build, the model number, things of that nature. But yeah, that's it. Not bad, right? I like it. So let's take a look at the camera. Now the camera. Now we're not going to go into it right now. This is going to be a separate video. But the first thing I looked for was the live focus. First thing I look for, because I like live focus, it takes some of the greatest pictures I've ever seen in my life. Also, we got newer slow mode, AR emojis are here, hyper time lapse. They got quite a few more things. Again, we're going to do a separate video on this and just take a real close look at what this camera has to offer. I hear it's pretty good too. Now, what else do we have? Of course, you got your edge screen. So you get the app edge. You can also add your people edge. You can add so many different things to this. You got more applications that you can add. You can add weather. So it has its own app store where you can download other applications to add to this to make this just that much more convenient. Just kind of hit here and it takes you here, and you can add more if you like. I find it to be pretty cool, and if not, you can go ahead and go into the app store and you can download more. So this is pretty cool. I like it. I like the feel. I like the look. I like that it's quick right now. I love the fact that this has a 4,000 milliamp hour battery. I wish it had 8 gigabytes of RAM, and I wish it had the copper color. I wish the copper color was here. That's the color I wanted, but again, we opt out for this ocean blue, which doesn't look bad. Doesn't look bad at all. So what do you think, people? Thinking about buying it, or you thinking about hanging out with the Galaxy Note 8? All right, you all, that's gonna be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, please hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then please, by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.